Hey everyone, welcome back to TonOrbital. I'm Tonio, and today we're exploring Telegram Wallet and TonSpace, making crypto management inside Telegram easier than ever. We'll walk through how to use these wallets and send money as easily as sending a message. Wallet is a mini app inside Telegram that lets you store, send, receive, and trade cryptocurrencies seamlessly. It supports deposits, withdrawals, and exchanges, along with a peer-to-peer market for direct trading. With Wallet, you can send and receive TON, USDT, Bitcoin, and other TON tokens instantly in Telegram chats, just like sending a message. Transfers between Telegram users have zero fees, and USDT purchases within Wallet are also fee-free. TonSpace is a non-custodial wallet built into Telegram, similar to TonKeeper and MyTon Wallet. It works just like Wallet, but it does not support P2P trading or crypto purchases with a bank card. Now, let's get started. We begin by opening the Telegram app and selecting Wallet. Here is our wallet dashboard, and as you can see, we don't have any tokens. So, let's deposit. To add crypto, we will hit the Add Crypto button, which gives us three options. The first option is buying with a bank card, allowing us to purchase crypto directly. The second option is buying from the P2P market using fiat, which enables peer-to-peer transactions. The third option is depositing from another wallet, and this is the option we will choose. Next, we need to select the token we want to receive, and for this deposit, we'll choose TonCoin. After hitting continue, a short verification process is required. We need to share our phone number, select our country of residence, fill in our first and last name, and provide our birth date. If you'd prefer no verification, you can opt for TonSpace, which doesn't require any identity checks. After that, our Ton wallet address will be displayed, allowing us to deposit TonCoin. Here we will be sending 3 Ton tokens from our TonKeeper wallet. And here it is, our Ton has been successfully received. We also have the option to deposit Bitcoin and other tokens and trade them in P2P markets. In the exchange section, we can swap our TON tokens by simply selecting the tokens and choosing the amount. Here we are swapping TON for USDT. Now we just need to hit the confirm and exchange button, and that's it. The swap is complete. Now, let me demonstrate how sending money is as simple as sending a message in Telegram. Let's send USDT to a friend without needing to leave the app. First, we need to go to the send section. Here we have two options. We can send crypto to another wallet by selecting the token and entering the recipient's address, or we can send it directly to one of our Telegram contacts. Let's choose Sarah, then select a TON token and decide how much to send. Here we'll send 1 USDT, and that's it. You see, it's as simple as sending a message. This is an amazing feature that Telegram offers. Now, let's see what happens from the receiver's point of view. The first thing we notice is that we have 2 messages, one from TonOrbital and another from Wallet. The Wallet message informs us about the incoming transfer, and when we open the TonOrbital chat, we can view the transaction. If we tap Go to Wallet, we'll see that the USDT has been added to Sarah's balance. In the recent transactions section, we can also see TonOrbital's name listed as the sender. Now, let's send the USDT back to TonOrbital. We will tap on the USDT icon and select Send. Next, we'll choose Tom from our contacts as the recipient and confirm the transfer. Again, if we go back to Tom's account, we can see the 1 USDT transfer. And in our wallet's recent transactions, we now see that this time we have received 1 USDT from Sarah. Another way to access Wallet is through direct chat. Simply tap the paperclip icon, select Wallet, pick the token, the person to send to, and enter the amount, just like we did before. For more control, we can tap the 3 dots in the corner and go to the settings section. Here we can set up a passcode for our wallet, change the language, and adjust the currency value for tokens. Here we'll change it to USD. There are other ways to add crypto to our wallet, such as using a bank card. When we tap the bank card button, a notification pops up informing us that if we don't have a citizen permit from Europe, Turkey, UAE, and these other countries mentioned, we should use the P2P market instead. If we proceed by hitting continue, we will first need to choose the token we want to buy. Next, we enter the amount, and after that, we will be directed to the payment page, where we can complete the purchase of our selected tokens. Up next, we have the P2P Express, a secure marketplace where trusted merchants provide 100+ payment options with no fees. Next, we just need to select the token we want, choose the currency, and enter the amount we want to pay. However, to finalize the purchase, we must provide identity documents and complete a liveness check. Only after that will we be able to proceed with the purchase. Lastly, the P2P market allows us to trade assets directly with other users. We can either buy or sell, and in this case, we'll choose to buy. Next, we have the option to set the crypto we want to purchase. Select the currency, verify the merchant's credentials, and choose the payment method for the trade. For example, we want to buy ton from this merchant. However, we can't buy a small amount as each trade has a minimum limit set. After choosing the amount, we press buy, and to finalize the transaction, we need to submit our information and complete verification. Users can become merchants by setting up an ad, enabling them to buy or sell tokens at their preferred price with personalized settings. If you're interested in using Wallet's P2P Market and want to learn how to use it, let us know in the comments and we'll dive into it in our next video with a full explanation. If you're looking for a simple Ton wallet inside Telegram without verification or Wallet's extra features, then TonSpace is the way to go. To set it up, select TonSpace from the wallet dashboard, then either import an existing wallet or create a new one. Here we'll create a new wallet and manually back up the secret phrase. One key difference is that TonSpace supports NFTs, whereas Wallet does not, so if you want to send and receive NFTs, you should use TonSpace. If you've worked with TonKeeper or MyTon Wallet, the dashboard should feel familiar to you. First things first, let's add some Ton to our wallet. We will select Ton, copy the wallet address, and send 1 Ton from our TonKeeper wallet to this address. Now, let's try sending Ton within Telegram, just like sending a message. The process is just like using Wallet. We need to go to the Send section, select the token we want to send, choose the contact, and enter the amount we wish to transfer, and done. And if we go back to Sarah's account, we can see that the Ton has been added to her TonSpace wallet while her wallet is empty. We also have a swap feature built into TonSpace. Here we are swapping Ton for some NOT. And here it is, successfully added to our wallet. When we go to the deposit section, we can see our Ton address, and we also have the option to send Ton tokens directly from Wallet. Here we're sending 1.5 Ton from Wallet to TonSpace. And here it is. We have received 1.5 Ton and the exact amount has been deducted from Wallet. We also have the option to stake within our TonSpace wallet. We just need to hit the earn button, select stake, and choose the amount of Ton we want to stake. Here we can see the estimated profit over time. However, this is based on past rewards, so it may change. The staking process is handled through TonStakers. If you're unfamiliar with how staking works, check out our TonStakers video. All that's left is to confirm the transaction and we're done. If we decide to unstake, we just tap Staked, then choose Unstake. We can set the unstaking amount, or if we prefer to stake more, we hit the stake button and add extra funds. With Telegram wallets, sending and receiving Ton tokens has never been easier. They also allow you to explore mini apps for various crypto services, making crypto more accessible than ever. Use it wisely, stay safe, and always do your own research. If this guide helped you, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for updates. Stay informed with the latest Ton news by following us on Telegram and Twitter. Links are in the description. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.